I thank the Lord. I glorify the Lord. Thank you so much, Afri Glow women, for encouraging us. We go through a lot when serving humanity. It is not easy, but by the grace of God, I do make it. I dedicate this award to the children I have rescued, to the families I have rescued. I rescued this boy while he was very young. He didn't even know his name. I never expected this. Sikuwa nafikiria, lakini kwa sababu ya Mungu. Today I'm recognized and I'm honored. And women, this was not a competition. It was an encouragement. We have been empowered to serve humanity. Let us do it at our level best. And also to my employers, Kameme TV, Kameme FM, Media Max family, for giving me a platform to serve humanity in our program Njanjo with my colleague Manyari. God bless you. God bless you all our listeners. God bless you. Mungu awabariki sana. Mungu awabariki sana na azidi kuwainua. And may God bless you, Marcelina, and everybody in Afri Glow for supporting us as women. We are humbled.